Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this particular video, I will explain the problem transpose of matrix. So the problem is pretty easy guys and asked by companies like Make My Trip, Infolabs, etc. So let me start with the problem statement. It says that you have to write a program to find the transpose of a square matrix of size n cross n. What is the transpose of a matrix? So the transpose of a matrix is obtained by changing rows to columns and columns to rows. You can see for this particular example, they are replacing or they are changing every row with a column, right? You can see that they are performing the operation for every possible row, and this is the output. Now I hope you have understood the problem statement. So let me talk in detail about what exactly is a transpose. After this we are definitely going to look at the solution. Okay, so I have written the heading here, and transpose of a matrix is basically an operation where we replace each value matrix of ij with matrix of ji, right? Let me explain how it works. So I have written the same example here as given in the problem statement, and what I'll do is I'll write the indices I and j, and for them I'll write the indices j and I as well. So let me start with the first index. I have got 0 0, right? So I'll write 0 0. What is the value of ji for 0 0? Going to remain same, right? So I have to write this one at the index 0 0. Let's write 1 here. After this I have got the index 0 1 0 1. So the ji form of this index is going to be 1 0, and this way I can write this one at the index 1 0, right? So I'll get 1 here. Similarly for 0 2, I'll write this at 2 0 index, right? So I can write 1 here. After this for index 0 3, I'll write the element at index 0 3 at 3 0. So 1 will come here again. Similarly I can do for this as well, like 1 0 will come at 0 1, and then 1 1 will remain same, right? After this the value at index 1 2 will come at place index 2 1, right? Similarly I can write this as well, and I can fill all the values this way. Now I hope you have understood this particular concept, right? So we can write the solution. You will say that, hey, the solution is going to be easy. All we need to do is we need to traverse every possible element of the matrix, and then we can simply swap matrix of ij with matrix of ji, right? And this is how we can write the code. You can see here that I'm traversing every element, and then I'm just swapping the values. However, this particular approach is not going to work. There is a problem with this approach. Let me explain what is the problem. So what I'll do here is I will try to dry run the approach. So I'll start with this one, right? And we have to replace like swap this 0 0 element at 0 0 with this particular index, right? And this is going to remain at same place. After this I'll come here. Then okay, let me change the color first. I'll come here and I will replace this particular value with this one, right? So 2 will come here and 1 will come here. Similarly, I'll replace this one with this particular 3. So these value are going to be swapped. Similarly, these two value are going to be swapped, 1 here and 4 here, right? Now you can see that I have got 1 2 3 4 and 1 1 1 1 here. So it is working fine till now. After this, I'll come to this place. And when I come to this place, then I'm going to swap this particular element which is at 1 0 with element at 0 1, right? And when I swap them, then I'm going to get the same value which was initially there, right? After swapping. So this is something that we have to avoid, because you can see that this is not the correct form of the transpose. I have 1 here in the result, right? And I have 2 here. So this is something that we have to avoid. What is the problem here? The problem is we are swapping same value 2 times. This is the problem. So how we can avoid this? Let me explain how we can avoid this. What we can do is we can either traverse the element at the upper triangular matrix, like this is the lower triangular matrix, right? So we can either traverse the lower triangular matrix or the upper triangular matrix, but not both. So when we traverse all the element of the matrix, then both like triangular matrices get traversed, right? So we have to traverse either this one or this one. So let me start with the lower triangular matrix. What we can do is you can see here that all I need to do is I need to replace this 0 with I plus 1. And how this is going to work? So this is going to work fine. Like for each index, you can see that first of all I am starting with 0, then my j will start from 1, which is from this index, and this is how it will increase. After this j will start with 2, right, and this is how it is going to traverse. After this j will start from 3. So this is how I can get the lower triangular matrix, and I can simply swap all the values, and I can avoid swapping all these values, right? Similarly, you can follow the approach using the upper triangular matrix as well. So this is all you need to do. This is all you need to do, right? Now let me show you the code. So this is the code. You can see that the code is pretty like similar to the approach I have explained here, and the complexity is going to be O of n square, right? After this, you can see that Java and C++ code is exactly same, right? The only difference is the name of the matrices. And after this, talking about the Python code, so there is a change in the syntax, how we swap two values, and the syntax, how we write the code, right? And rest the concept is going to remain same. So this is all about this video. If you guys like the explanation, then you can hit the like button. Thank you.